Hi guys, how are you? My name is One Titanium. Welcome back to Real Macroeconomics and Investing. Patreon.com/mind this one. So I'm going to do this video. We're going to go back and have a blast from the past, and I'm going to show you my videos that I published and how it all worked out. And I think it's very important for a lot of you people who are interested in training, investing, and learning how to do things the right way to come on down and subscribe. And I'm going to show you why. Now, we're going to go back all the way to September. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to September of 2019, right in here. Okay, not 19, 18. And let's talk about let's see what this video says. Okay, now mind you, there's only 130 views, right? Should be like thousands of views, not 130. But anyway, let's listen to what I said would happen to the 10. This is the 10-year chart, by the way. And let's see what I said. Hold on. Cross this line, which was a consolidation, and it's not very difficult to see. Okay, here's a consolidation, one, two, three down. Formed this structure, and it had two choices: either collapse, which it had no fundamental reason to do, or push up. Okay, it pushed up. So what? So what? No big deal. It's still. And I'm asking so what because a lot of people were saying back then, all the news and fake MMTers, they were saying, oh, it crossed the 3%, it crossed the line. Wow, ooh, we're going much higher. Higher interest rates are inflationary. That's why I'm saying, wow, so what? Okay, just to give you some clarification. Still within this structure. And again, I'm going to say it until I'm blue in the face. These structures end up lower. Not That's it. Not always. All right. So they end up lower. That was back in September. Okay, so let's go to TradingView now. And this is Dow 800 crash or not. And this is back in October 10th, 2018. So let's see what I say here. Guys, how are you? Mind this one, Titanium. I've been off of TradingView for a while. I'm doing my own thing, and I think this is a good time to come back and show you what we are looking at from our perspective. And the market is down a lot. A lot of people are going to say a lot of things about technicals and fundamentals, and this is it. We've been waiting for this crash, and blah blah blah. I know this nonsense. Don't fall victim to it. Now, can we go much lower? Absolutely. Okay. What's going on in the market? There's a little repricing that's going on with the higher interest rates. Is it a big deal? Actually, not. More likely than not, what you're going to see is that interest rates will actually fall in the future. There you go. Interest rates are going to fall in the future, right? That's what I said. So anyway, let's fast forward here a little bit, and these were the two possible scenarios. Obviously, came all the way down here and then continued on lower. Let me find the next portion of this video I wanted you to look at. All right, we'll just kind of see this one more time since it's in the video. Zoom out a little bit. All right, right up against the resistance. The likely scenario here is it's going to go back down. Okay, so look for this move down. That's gonna, it's gonna have a big impact. Well, it did have a big impact on the market. uh, Let me fast forward again. All right, here's where I talk about inflation when I have a whole lot of inflation. Let's watch it. Inflation, you look at the 10-year, I'm sorry, the Treasury, uh, inflation protection, securities versus the TLT, the 10-year, 20-year. There's not a whole lot there. Okay. Just to pause for a minute. This is the tips between divided by the 10-year, the TLT, 20-year. Sorry. Okay, and what it's showing is that there's not a lot of expectation for inflation. That's what I'm basically trying to say. But again, I'm not a TV personality. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Not a lot of inflation. We had higher expectations for inflation back in 2014, and a lot higher in 2012. So look at this. Not a whole hell of a lot there. Oil, um, you know, I think this could possibly have one more up, come down, one more up, and then start falling apart. Okay, nice rising wedge. It's had its fun in the sun. It's time for this thing to start to correct. And as it does correct, remember that this is going to impact the economy in terms of inflation. So if oil starts coming down, and it could break now, it's possible. If it starts doing that, then look for inflation, headline inflation, not core inflation, to start dropping down. Interest rates might start to pause. There you go. Interest rates might start to pause. What did the Fed say today? He's pausing interest rates, right? Um, where is it? Where's the 10-year? 2.54%. Exactly. All right, so let's go back in time. Yeah, and look at the updated charts. Sure enough, came all the way up here. What did it do? Boom, straight down, right? Thank you very much. Taking a look at the NDX. What did it do? Sure enough, bam, right to this line, bounce back up, right? And as I said, you're going to hear a lot of people telling you a lot of crazy shit. There's going to be, inflation is coming, and the market is going to crash, and everything is going to, it's all over. We're all screwed, right? They were all wrong. Taking a look at oil, exactly what I said would happen. Um, Boom, there it is. Big drop. Now we're working our way back up, right? Again, it's the work that matters, not the entertainment, not the TV personalities and how well they present the data and and how excited they are when they talk about it. That's if you guys want entertainment and bullshit, there's a lot of guys with Ferraris and mansions and yachts and G5 airplanes. You can go over there. If you are serious about learning how to understand real macroeconomics and understand how to read charts in the proper manner, come on down to patreon.com/mind this one. Be more than happy to teach it to you. Um, but again, the work speaks for itself. We went from September all the way to March 20th, and everything that I've said has worked out. Now, does that mean I'm always right? Absolutely not. Of course not. Um, we'll teach you how to take the right risk reward trades. That's what's important, right? That you understand what's really going on in the markets. Now, if you guys think you're going to come down and I'm going to teach you in a week or a month or 3 months, forget it. It's not going to happen. Okay? It's going to take you a year plus. It depends what level you're at. Okay? Some guys pick it up faster than others. If you think I'm going to entertain you every single day, if there's nothing to trade, there's nothing to trade. All right? You just got to be patient because it's a lot easier for me to teach you something while it's happening than it is for me to tell you about something that might happen and then it's not gonna stick in your head. All right. So you have to be patient. You have to see bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets, and then you start to really understand what we are doing. And once you understand what we're doing, then you're going to be able to go out on your own to be able to do this all by yourself, and you might even be better than I am. And I hope that's the case. Uh, we have our instructors there to help you, whether it be macroeconomics, charting, but you got to be involved. And a lot of people, unfortunately, they get shy. They don't want to get their pee-pee spanked. But you have to participate, and you have to be patient. So come down to patreon.com/mind this one. Subscribe. Um, you want to listen to people that tell you, oh, I know applied MMT and I teach you mental game. Buy gold, buy silver, blow off tops, the great unwinding, and this sensationalizing bullshit. You want to go listen to those people with Ferraris, G5s, yachts, and so on. Please, go. Go. When you figure out that they're scamming you, come on back. Be patient. Be ready to learn. Participate. And I promise you, uh, what you're going to learn here, you're going to be able to carry the rest of your life. All right? And you'll be able to make these calls on your own. So that's it. Thank you very much. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.